everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video from Target. I stopped by Target, picked up a couple tripods. I want to show them to you guys because I really like them and I keep buying them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be I went to Target. We're going to be popping open the bag and taking a look at what I grabbed. I grabbed a couple tripods. I really like these tripods. I don't use these little phone holder things, phone mounts, but I love these tripods. These are Merkury tripods. I grabbed two of them. I actually have, these are from Target. I got this one from Target a long time ago. This is a Targus version. Same tripod, just different brand name. This one's very floppy. The legs are pretty much broken in it, but I got several of them. So just to show you guys, here is another one. This is a Mercury one right here that I always put the camera on. It's these guys. And the light, the aperture light, is actually on a Mercury also. They're very nice. I like them for GoPros, stuff like that. Lights like the aperture light. They're really good tripods. I'm not gonna do like this huge video on them. I just want to push them again. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. Just an item I really like. I don't use them for phones, but I do use them for GoPros. Compatible with devices up to 2.75 inches in width. Just gonna pop this one out. I don't ever use these. I have them. I just leave them in my camera bag. These things are really nice. I usually, there's a slot here. You can use a screwdriver to tighten it. I usually just put a little tiny precision flathead through the hole right here and pin it against the pin to tighten them. This allows you to, you can lock it in this position if you wanted to. I usually leave mine upright like this, and I lock them down. And they are very tight. This one actually feels a lot tighter. And there are some of these tripods that actually are a lot shorter. The GoPro style maxi shorty, the GoPro style shorty actually gets shorter than this one. This is, I believe, seven inches in max height, and I believe it's like 1 or 2 inches, 3 inches maybe. It's 4 5/8 of an inch tall in its shortest height. So the GoPro shorty tripods, those actually get to 2 inches max height, which would be right there. So a little less than the length of the legs. So those are really short tripods. I'm going to end up probably picking a couple of those up. I'm going to pick up the maxi tripod as well as the shorty. See how I like them. But these tripods are really nice. I do like them a lot. They do extend. But that's, what I normally use right there for the camera we're recording on. I use these a lot under the vehicles as well. I just like them. They're 15 bucks. It used to be 10 bucks when I bought the Targus, and I bought the one that the camera's on and the one that light is on right now. They were $10. They're no longer $10. They're $15, but They're definitely well worth the $15, 100%. If you guys need small little tripods, if you're doing videos on a small table like this, you know, on a tool cart or something, they're great little tripods. You can't say enough about them. I like them a lot. So this one actually stops when I lock it. It stops turning. This one might have a little issue because you can continually turn it. It hits a spot where it gets soft and it pops loose again. But here's this one right here. Yeah, this one definitely stands up a little taller. So this one might have some issues. Not really sure what the issues are. Definitely doesn't feel right. It's not very flat for some reason. You know, but it was only 15 bucks. I can always go back to the store. Pick a couple more up. They're not really that expensive in my opinion. You know, even if this one has a little bits of issues, not a big deal. I'm not going to take it back for the little amount of issues it does have. I'll more than likely just use it for lighter duty things. All in all, they are great tripods though. I really, really like them. You know, just a quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. You can see how this one, the legs spread out a lot further than this one. This one actually sits more upright. These legs are a lot higher up than this one. These are a lot more spread out. It's no big deal though. This is similar to this one that the light's on. The legs are really wide compared to the one that the camera's on. The legs are not as wide. So these two right here, pretty close in similarities on how high the legs are, like that. Where this one spreads a lot further than these two, and this is the one that the camera was on. And then this one, oops. So this tripod and this tripod are similar. These two are similar. Not a big deal. They'll do what I need them to do. No problem at all. I do appreciate you guys stopping by though. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope the video is helpful to you guys. If you guys are looking for smaller tripods, I've done a couple of videos on these tripods already. I believe I did a video on the old Targus one. I did a video on the one the camera's on, and this one that the light is on, and now this video. It's the third video I believe I've done on these. I really, really like them. They're great little tripods for the price. And they can hold a lot of weight. I've actually put a 6-pound DSLR camera on these, and I had the camera pointed down and it holds the weight perfectly fine. No issues at all. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also want to say thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, disliking, subscribing. To all the watchers, the non-subscribers, subscribers, and people that watch the ads for brief moments, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. The channel is now making money, and it's very much appreciated. I'm going to be doing a lot more demo videos with power tools and stuff like that. Let's see what they can do, head-to-head videos, because the channel's paying for, it's going to be paying for the wood now. I need to get 2 Sheet Master jaw horses so we can set up the wood. have it secure while everything's being drilled, and you know, the tools are being used and tested against other tool brands. So that's all thanks to you guys. So I want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are what makes the content. So, but I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. That's all I got for you today. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!